Hi Collision, my name is James. I've been a drummer since I was 10. I am now 23. I am also, my music career at the minute, I am in a band called The Riffs, who are just starting out on our music career. We have our first launch gig on the 18th of April in Coventry. So that's exciting. I will be using Collision Drumsticks, of course. The sticks I have chose to use for now are the Collision 5 AR. I find these are a better drumstick to use because they're slightly longer. So if I play my cymbals quite high, I won't have to reach my arms up higher. I have the extended range on the stick. Some good things. That's one of the good things I like about Collision, how they do the slightly longer version of the 5A with the extended range. I like how they're not too heavy. I was expecting, because they're slightly longer, they'd be more tip heavy, but I find they're not too heavy, which I like, but I do find they've got a bit of weight to them, which is one thing I do like. The song I'm about to play is one of my band originals. It's called Heavy by The Riffs, and we will be playing that live on our gig. I do use these sticks, so yeah, I hope you enjoy that video. Just another quick one, another thing I like about these are they're British, which is a good thing with me coming from England. I just think these sticks are very well made. You can feel how well made they are. They don't feel cheap. They're not too light, they're not too heavy. And I'm quite a heavy player, and I find these sticks can take a good beating because I play heavy. So like I said, the video you're about to see, it's called Heavy by The Riffs, and we'll be playing this song live at our gig in April, but I will show you the video now. And these are the sticks I played. You can see they are slightly battered around the tip, but these are the exact sticks I played during that video, so I hope you enjoy.